Hey everybody. Hey, you know what? I hear the click, click, click of the last train coming down the track. Here I am standing at the station. Here I am standing at the station with my ticket in my hand. I can hear the click, clack of the wheels of the train, the last train coming down the track. Clack on the tracks with the last trains coming down. Well, that was really a sloppy little song, wasn't it? I still like it. I'll probably still show it to you because I like spontaneous stuff. Obviously, and even if me and Jesus is the only two people in the Father, the only three people that can appreciate my expression of myself like this, it's more than enough. Majority rules. Well, Bob Sparrow, me, Jesus, our Father, the Holy Spirit, and all of us together with the Father and the Son. We are all one. One. Don't forget that. He's coming back real soon. It's going to get dark and troubling and stormy out there on this planet. But you know what? With Jesus, we walk upon the waters of the storm. And he's going to say, peace, be still, in a moment, in a twinkling of an eye. And we'll be standing on that calm, peaceful sea of glass, of crystal sea before his throne. That's a pretty good little soapbox. Okay, hang in there, everybody. I love you. Hope you can hear me. I'm talking a little lower than normal. You know. But I am a little lower than normal. I'm a 1950s, 60s beatnik. One of the few left in the world. Hey, if there's any other beatniks out there, I've asked you before, I'll ask you again. Hey, check into Bob Sparrow's coffee shop. And we'll beatnik together. I love you. Bye-bye.